I'm sorry, you said the kid was doing what?
Anonymous stupid things.
What does that mean, anonymous stupid things?
Touching his knees, watching him and his mom have sexual intercourse, and stole a phone from his godfather.
A man stands accused of something unthinkable, beating a special needs child. What starts as a standard plea suddenly erupts into one of the most intense judicial confrontations we've seen. The judge doesn't hold back, calling out not just the defendant, but the home he lived in, the mother involved, and the system that allowed this to happen. Today, you'll hear exactly what happened inside this courtroom, and you tell us, was 8 years enough?
CR 005302 and 2025 CR 005304, State versus Jesus Guadalupe Navaro. Could I have parties announced?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Brian Kimbrough from Mr. Navarro.
And are you Mr. Navarro?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Navarro, in each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, in cause number ending in 302, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we make an oral motion to amend the indictment to remove the defendant's middle name of Guadalupe. Additionally, Your Honor, we'll waive the habitual offender enhancement.
Okay.
Okay. And in cause number ending in 304, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, same thing. We'll make an oral motion to remove the defendant's middle name of Guadalupe from the indictment. And we will also waive the habitual offender enhancement.
Okay.
Mr. Navarro, in each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? In the cause number ending in 02, you're charged with injury to a child, elderly, or disabled person with intentionally bodily injury. And the cause number ending in 304, you're charged with assault family household with a previous conviction. Both of those charges are third-degree felonies. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You'll need to speak up.
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering into these pleas, you are giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
All right, off the record for a moment. Deputy, could you all move him down to that end with his client? All right, we're back on the record. Mr. Navarro, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to follow this plea, if you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering into these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications. The cases were run concurrently. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, and there's to be no contact with the complainants. Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as a primary custodial parent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that to be the entirety of your plea? Defense?
Yes.
State?
That's the plea, yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Counsel, there be any such motion? Then in the cause number ending in 302, how do you plea? In the cause number ending in 304, how do you plea?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor, with regard to both cases, they will offer into evidence case exhibit 1 with all attachments.
Okay.
All right, state, and have you had a chance to speak with the complainants?
We have, she was unable to make it today because she would like to give an impact statement, and she was asking if Your Honor would consider delaying sentence to maybe Monday so she can come in.
All right.
Thank you.
And let me ask you, is she able to Zoom in?
I can call and see if she can right now, actually.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
Just for the record, I'm supposed to be starting trial Monday in 175th, so I'm probably not.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. In each cause number, the court will find that there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
I would like to proceed today, Your Honor. Actually, I spoke to the DA, not that one, but earlier. She's not here now. She said that she was not seeking to have the victim impact statement, that she told the mother that it wasn't going to happen. So that's what she told me. That's why I was kind of surprised. But I'd like to go forward today.
All right, anything you wish to say? So why did you do this?
The kid was doing anonymous stupid things, and I tried to go up on me.
I'm sorry, you said the kid was doing what?
Anonymous stupid things,
What does that mean, anonymous stupid things?
touching his knees, watching me and his mom have sexual intercourse, and he stole a phone from his godfather.
Oh, so then why are you not closing your door?
Because there was no door.
All right, so then that
Yeah.
sounds like a you problem. And this child is special needs. So what have you done to this child other than put fear into this child?
I just spoke to him with the belt.
Well, no, according to this, you didn't whip him with a belt, you beat him with a belt.
I didn't even get the chance to.
So were you employed?
No.
So this is what I find strange. You're complaining about him and you were not even employed. So how are you making money?
The job for her,
I'm sorry, what?
helping her with the job she was doing. She's home care provider.
Oh my gosh. Just have all these random people being home health care providers. So basically you were doing nothing. You decided to get in a relationship with someone who has a special needs child. You're living off of her. You're doing nothing. And the fact that you have zero patience with this child, and for them to put in the police report that you're a stepfather, I can't even believe they would use those terms with you. You beat this child. You don't have any patience, and somebody is letting you and her be a home health care provider. And how old are you?
I'm 43.
So you're doing anonymous things like not having an employment and you're beating on a child. All right. This is what the court will do. In cause number 2025 CR 005304, the court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 8 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. Credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with Carlos Coronado or Andrea Graham. There's to be no residing in any household with minors, and there's to be no contact with minors. This will run concurrently with 2025 CR 005302. And cause number 2025 CR 005302. Court is finding you guilty. Court will sentence you to 8 years in the prison. give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 005304. There should be no contact with Carlos Coronado, Andrea Graham. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There should be no residing in households with minors and no contact with minors. In each of the cause numbers, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, because they're an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So we're off the record. Here's the reason. This is why I'm doing no contact and no residing in households with children. You know why I'm doing that? Because there is somebody who had a special needs child, decided that you were a good catch. And guess what? You don't have employment. You have no means of supporting yourself. And she's probably receiving funds for that child because that child is special needs and y'all just living off that child. And Child Protective Service should be called because she shouldn't have custody of that child, because she's bringing somebody in her household who has prior convictions for affirmative family violence, and she thought you were a great catch. Somebody who has no job, previous convictions, and letting them live in the home, live off a special needs child. So that is why. So that will not be happening. Do you understand? Oh, and you're dismissing this case?
Yes, sir.
All right, they're dismissing the aggravated sexual assault of a child case. They say that there is a missing witness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to Justice in Action for more real courtroom moments and legal insights.